know many people are having trouble with a left wheel error on their Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Inspect left wheel. Switch off your vacuum and inspect the left wheel. Clear any trapped debris or obstructions. Step 2. Clean left wheel. Ensure the left wheel is clean, dust-free, to avoid any blockages. Clean if necessary. Step 3. Monitor wheel performance. Restart your vacuum and monitor left wheel performance. The error should not persist post 15 minutes of usage. Step 4. Verify wheel alignment. Verify the alignment of the left wheel. Make adjustments for smooth operation, if necessary. Step 5. Perform system reset. Perform a reset by turning off and on again to clear any temporary system glitches. Step 6. Contact Xiaomi support. If the error continues, it may need professional attention. Please contact Xiaomi support. Following these steps should resolve the left wheel error. If not, contacting Xiaomi support can be your last viable option. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Xiaomi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.